In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Citation Generator. If you are drafting an essay, report, or article and want to make sure your claims are backed by reliable sources, this feature can save you time and help keep your writing credible. Start by opening your document in the Grammarly editor. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for the Citation Finder icon. In some layouts, you might see it inside the AI Agent panel. Either way, you'll access the same tool. Click it to get started. Once it's open, Grammarly will scan your text and look for statements that may require supporting evidence. These are often facts, statistics, or specific assertions that a reader might question. You'll see those lines flagged for review. Take a moment to read each suggestion carefully. If a highlighted statement feels too broad or vague, try tightening the wording before you proceed. Clearer claims are easier to match with accurate sources. If a flag appears on something that's common knowledge in your field or already cited elsewhere, you can simply move on. When you are ready, explore the source suggestions Grammarly provides for each flagged claim. It will offer credible options that align with what you've written. Open the details to check the title, publisher, and date. Make sure the source truly supports the point you are making, not just something loosely related. If it fits, click Insert in Text Citation and Grammarly will place the citation directly into your draft at the appropriate spot. If it doesn't fit, look at the alternative suggestions or adjust your sentence so the source and statement match more precisely. You can always undo an insertion if you change your mind. As you work, keep daily limits in mind. Free users can typically insert up to 5 citations per Dalton Y, while Grammarly Pro users have unlimited access. If you are on the free plan, prioritize your most important or controversial claims first, and consider batching less urgent citations for another day. Keeping track of how many you've added will help you plan your workflow smoothly. That's all it takes. Open your document, run the citation finder, review the flagged claims, and insert the in-text citations that truly support your writing. Use your judgment. Double-check relevance and let Grammarly handle the formatting lift so you can stay focused on clarity and accuracy. Thanks for watching.